Hey guys, welcome back to Lameli Armory. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Xegis safe. Alright, so the safe's going to come shipped in this brown box here. It says Xegis safe at the top. There's a sticker holding this closed. Let's take a look inside. Alright, so we have some foam right here. Okay, and here's a cord that comes with the safe. Also some keys. It's wrapped in plastic wrap here. And there is a USB-C charger. We also have some wood screws and our tool here. And here's the initial setup, quick start guide. Shows you how to open the gun case using the keys, how to set up, turn on the power, enter the password, resetting, and then registering the palm vein. And then also the button functions. Here's more of a detailed manual using the palm vein safe. And then here's the official user's manual and safety guide. Quick start video, you can watch that. All the contents, very detailed. This has amazing steps. Get this opened up. All right, so here is the Xegis safe. Here's the bottom, so you can use the screws. Screw this down onto the desktop, onto the wall, wherever you choose on your nightstand. So I'm going to show you the quick start guide. So it says to use the keys. Let's get this opened up. We go. And this is what it looks like inside. So you have some foam up top, some foam at the bottom. It says there's a power button down here. Switch that on. Here you can see the temperature, the humidity, and there is the battery indicator. The unique thing about the safe is you can recharge it. So using the provided USB, there's a charging port right here. And there you can see that it is charging. All right, let's go ahead and reset the password. So step 3 says to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll open it up. And step 4, we have to enter it again. And you'll hear that constant beeping. That means it's an admin mode. So let's hold 1 for 3 seconds. And then it changes it to setting. We can enter a new passcode. So let's do 654321, and then hit it again, or OK, and then 654321, and then OK. And so that should be reset. Yep, works just fine. All right, guys, so now let's get to the most important part of the safe, is registering our palm vein. So we're going to enter our password, and then enter it one more time, You can hear that same beep as before, except instead of holding 1, we're going to hold 2. It's going to change it to scanning setting. It says to hold it 4 to 8 inches. And let's try it out. Oh, that's awesome, guys. Just worked right away. Let's try that again. That's just seconds, guys. Less than seconds. That's amazing. Perfect. So one of the unique things using the palm vein is you can use this in complete darkness. So I'm going to turn off the lights, show you that it will still operate using the palm vein. Just like that, guys. Very fast. So not only does this work in the dark, it also works with wet hands. So here I went to wet my hands. Look at that. Pops right open. Let's do it again. You can see my hands are just drenched. And if your hands happen to get dirty like mine, you could still use it. Look at that. Alright guys, so that was the Xegis Safe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you plan on picking one of these up, I will have the link in the description. And I would definitely recommend picking one up. As you can see from the tests, that the palm vein does work in the darkness, whether your hands are wet or if they're dirty. So you can rely on this to open when you need it most.